may be asking yourself now, why is he measuring two sides? Surely this should be identical, right? Not the case. With this timber, because it's cheap or cheap, some of it it's not planed up, so the differences can be 5 mil in the timber thickness or length or whatever. If it was planed up stuff, ideal material, even so you would still need to measure it, because you still get variations. It's living, it's a living material, it's not brick, they're not made in a factory, it's a living material, and they expand and contract with the weather, whether it's moisture in the air or very dry or whatever. There's a whole thing that affects it, so you really need to measure it twice and check. Привет!
Привет строителям коммунизма!
Closes zakończyłeś.
Паша,
А?
Паша сгорел. Сгорел.
Нормально.
Нормально.
Что ты, это дерево? Трава? Трава пили?
Привет! А?
Трава пили?
Да я ходил, смотрел там.
Ничего.
Яблони. Набирай.
This is a perfect example of when the compressor runs out of air and it doesn't fire the nails in all the way, and you get this, and you've got to go over with a hammer and just knock them in. Unfortunately, nail gun nails tend to be thin, and it's very difficult to knock them in when they're quite large. So when they're small, when they're only out tiny fragments, okay. When they're out a good bit, I'll knock them in. Like this one here, whether I can get it or not. Normally, if it goes like that way, they haven't gone in fully, or maybe a hit a knot in the wood, then put the one beside it. Done. And then of course, spray it once again.